I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the chip and removing contaminants. This is critical because paint won't adhere to dirt or rust. Once done, scrub with degreaser then alcohol, and sand any lifted paint or rust with 600-800 grit until feathered to the base. Make sure to mask at least 1/2 inch beyond the repair to protect surrounding finish. You are not prepping the whole panel, only the immediate area, so move deliberately and inspect the surface under good light before proceeding to primer. Next, you prime and rebuild the paint film so the patch blends and resists corrosion. First, spray or dab a thin epoxy or self-etch primer in 2 to 3 light coats, allowing each to flash for 5 to 10 minutes. This bonds to bare metal and fillers. Once cured, apply the factory-matched base coat in multiple thin layers, letting paint level between passes. Make sure to check color in different light and keep strokes consistent. Patience here prevents runs and uneven color. You finish by sealing and blending the repair so it becomes invisible and durable. After base coat, spray 2 to 3 thin clear coat layers, letting each flash, then cure fully per product directions. When cured, wet sand gently with 1,500-2,000 grit to remove high spots, then polish with a fine compound until gloss matches. If you encounter orange peel or sinking, wet sand lightly and polish. If color shift appears, reapply thin base/clear layers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.